Okay, so I just heard like a metallic sort of hum sound outside, like a machinery or something. But it sounds really weird. It doesn't sound like normal. There it is right now. I don't know, it's like it sounds like it's coming from the direction of the airport. There's a police car. The police car just showed up. I wonder if it has something to do. The humming just like died down, just stopped. I don't know, it's creepy.